Have you noticed that how world's biggest personal brand are building their content completely different right now? What's crazy is that their videos are getting easier to produce than ever. Yet they are scaling their revenue at massive records and gaining a lot of bigger subscriber count. Here's the wildest part. Everybody is obsessing with AI right now. But for those personal brands, using AI would completely ruin their business. Strange, isn't it? In this video, I am going to tell you that why those biggest personal brands are building something completely different and why they are relying on a completely new different format. I will break down that what they are actually making, and I will give you a roadmap that how you can also make that kind of style of the content even if you are a beginner or a seasoned pro. So let's begin. To see that why this approach works very better, for that we have to first understand that the traditional way of making good videos and why it is becoming less effective over time. The old playbook, you find a high performing topic by looking at popular videos, you create your own spin on it and add a bit of your new value, you script it out, shoot it, edit it, upload it and repeat the process. This process has built biggest YouTube channels on YouTube. But did you notice the catch? That 90% of the work happen before you even hit the record button. It requires heavy research, planning, finding outliers, having a great idea and doing the script, all of those things, which makes the filming, the actual content, the easiest part. When I started analyzing the top personal brand and analyzing that how they allocate their time across all of the things in content, I was totally shocked. Let's look at Dave Ramsey. His setup is that simple. People call into his shows and with real financial disaster, heavy debt, couple fights over money or bad investment, Dave doesn't have a script. He just have a real experience and real-time conversation with the people and help them figure it out. Millions of people tune in to watch those raw interaction. Let's look at Alex Hormozi. He goes live instantly, taking calls or conducting live coaching sessions where he troubleshoot real business problem on the spot. He pulls in millions of views doing this. Simon Sinek. He walks up to a stranger on the street and asks, "What's your dream?" and document himself helping them build it. The views are insane. And at the very top, we have Tony Robbins. And he does the exact same thing. Coaching people live through massive personal breakthroughs while every one of those biggest creators have a different workflow and operate differently. But they all have the same core formula which is identical. They film live scenarios with real people coming their problems and solving them through their experience. Instead of asking what type of video can I make next, instead they ask what kind of interaction and a real problem I can solve today and document it. Dave Ramsey just need a caller. Alex Hormozi just need an entrepreneur. Simon Sinek just need a stranger with a dream. They start with a problem and ends with a solution. This works very well because of two huge reasons. First, undeniable proof of expertise. When you are watching Dave, Alex, Tony, nobody have to told that these are the expert, because you are already watching them as an expert solving real people, real problem through their experience and giving an actual solution which actually work in real life. So you saw the expertise in live interaction and it just blew up trust so much. Like immense amount of trust and expertise goes to that person in your mind while watching that. Second, zero scripting and faster production, because these creators are not spending their time scripting or finding a very best idea, outliers, research, nothing like that. They find a real person with a real problem and give it a solution and document it live so that it's authentic. And because of that, it is so faster and easier to produce rather than writing a 10-hour script. You know what I mean? So it's very faster and efficient to produce. Now you might be thinking, okay, this is good for high ticket sales, but I need views. I need also subscribers. Still the views and subscribers matters to me. Hear me out. Here's what most people miss. Dave, Tony, Alex Hormozi, these creators are not just using those live interaction and some kind of organic content. They are also using it to run their business and using it as a content machine, because a single 40-minute live question and answer video shows 10 plus clips. Like their team get 10 plus clips moment from that 40-minute video and they can spread it out all over the social media, Insta, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, everything. They just blew it away and everything, because those all of the gifts had the important thing and have real value, which viewer can get real value through just short forms. And this also happen even better that some people, I would say a lot of people, take those big creator clips and start cutting them and start posting them. They get free organic views without having spending anything, and they just get immense amount of views. This is also called short clipping, and it's very viral nowadays, because like a lot of agencies are doing this for the creators which are not that big, but for those biggest creators, they don't need to pay anyone, because they are just have the authority and so famous that people just keep clipping their content and make people watch them. Because when you're scrolling, you saw Dan Ravi's video. Oh, he's taking a call. You see Alex Sharma's video. He is solving entrepreneur problem. So it just builds repetition over repetition over repetition, and make your mind think that yeah, this person is actually authority. So that means you have to abandon all educational video and start doing only unscripted live conversation. No, that is not the case, because if you do that, you will just fail because you don't have the experience. So you have to understand at what stage of the skill are you at present moment. There are 3 stages. Stage 1, building communication and core expertise. Because when most creators are starting out, they don't have endless case studies or $100 million net worth or very proof kind of things. They don't have credibility, they don't have authority, and they don't have list of people asking them and ready to ask question. They don't have any of that. They are just new and want to build authority. So for that, they have to do all of those traditional things: scripting, finding ideas, outlets, planning, research, editing, everything that is traditionally done, because they have to grab the attention at first, because there is no credibility. So for that, you are in stage 1. At stage, live question and answer will not work. Definitely not work. Stage 2, the hybrid approach. When communication and real world expertise reach to a different level, then you shifted from stage 1 to stage 2. Here you continue your scripted educational videos, but you also add your live question and answer, live Q&As, and taking real case studies and real people problem. You can do both of them parallelly. So both of hybrid approach. Stage 3, live mastery. This is the stage where Alex Sharma, Gary Vee, or Tony Robbins, all of those operate. That is the stage. A very big common trap of beginners that they think they just need to do exactly the same, like open camera, do unscripted live question and answer. But for beginner, that is a dangerous advice. It will not work because they don't have expertise, they don't have authority, and they don't have credibility. All of those things are missing in the frame. So it will not work. In stage 3, the raw expertise are the content, the main content. So yeah, that's for today. So if you wanna build your own personal brand on YouTube and generate leads for your business, then link in the description. Book a call with me. I will help you with the editing and thumbnails and overall channel packaging. So if you wanna work with me, then link in the description. I will talk to you soon.